How to change the email notification ringtone on a Samsung Galaxy S4. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then from there, launch the email app. In the email app, once you're in the list view screen, tap on the menu key at the bottom, go into settings, then choose the account that you want to change the notification ringtone. In here, you can under the notification settings section, tap on select ringtone. Then from the list, you could choose a different ringtone for your notification. For example, I can choose this particular ringtone here. Then tap on OK. Then that's all you have to do. Press on the home key to finish. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials.